Hello everyone. Let's read the question. So question says one half of the convex lens is covered with a black paper. So only one half. It is not mentioned that it is upper half or lower half. So we can take both cases. So will this lens produce a complete image of the object? And we need to verify it from experimentally and explain the observation. Now in question, it is not mentioned that which half is covered. So we can take the lower half is covered with black paper and second case is when upper half is covered with black paper. Now what happened for first case? Now in first case, the lower half of the lens is covered with black paper. Now light rays coming from the object, can take this as object AB. Now light rays coming from the object are refracted only from the upper half and the images is formed, whereas the lower half the light rays are blocked, so reflection is not taking place in lower side. So already we need to know, we know that two rays we need to take. So first ray will pass through the parallel to the principal axis and it will obviously pass through the focus, and second is passing through the center. Now these two rays are meet at this point, so here we get the image of the object. Now for second case, where the upper half of the lens is covered with the black paper, so light rays coming from the object, so we need to take object in this way, inverted. So light rays coming from the object are refracted only from the lower half and the image is formed, whereas the upper half the light rays are blocked, so no refraction takes place in upper half. So therefore the change in intensity of the image is observed. Now two rays are we need to take. So first one is passing through parallel to this principal axis. It will pass through the focus and other ray is passed through the center. So at this point two rays are intersect. So we get the image of this object. So we conclude that yes, answer will be yes. Lens produce, we can write yes, convex lens produce a complete, as we can see that object is like this and image is like this. So we get the complete image of the object because we can say that because light rays can still, if there is a blockage in either upper or lower half, but the light rays can still pass through its optical means that creates some angle, optical center as shown in the figure. This is the optical center. As we can see that the light rays can still pass through this optical center. But yes, we need to add one more point, that the intensity of the image, as the one half is covered with black paper, so obviously the intensity of the image will be reduced, or we can say is less, because intensity will reduce. This is the required solution. Hope you find the video useful. Thank you.